Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a Spinosaurus. Let's start off by drawing the head with a line going up with two bumps like so. Then, add another big bump here for the brow. From the top of the head, draw a really shaky line that curves up and over for the neck. And from there, draw the spines on its back with a cloud-shaped line that goes up and over to the right. For the tail, a long line that swoops out to the tip and turns back to the body like so. Next, we can draw the powerful legs of the Spinosaurus. Start with the thigh with a big line here that turns down and turns to the right and back down for the leg and then to the left for the toes. At the end of the toes, draw a sideways V shape for a really sharp talon. Then, copy that shape 2 more times like so for the other toes. From this end, add a line going up at an angle, up to a point here for the back of the knee that turns to the left, and a curved line back up to the base of the tail like so. For the belly, continue the line of the tail here, curving back up like so. And for the arm, draw a small bump here for the shoulder that comes down for the arm, then curves out to the left and down for the forearm. From there, add 3 sharp talons here as well. And continue back up the forearm and up the upper arm to the body like so. Then, continue the line from the belly on this side, turning up towards the head and turning left to the jaw. Add a small curved line here for a fold in its tough skin. And a line going down to the left with 2 bumps for the lower jaw. From the tip of the nose, draw a wavy line going to the right for the upper jaw. And for the bottom, a line curving up and straightening out to here. Finally, add some big V shapes along the jaws for its sharp teeth. And now, copy the arm and leg slightly to the left for the arm and leg on the other side. On the spines, draw some lines coming down from the corners to the body. And on the head, draw a really short line here for the nostril, and an elongated dot on top for an eye. Next, we can draw the patterns on its skin. I'm going to draw a really thin, wavy line from the back of the head to the tail, with spikes coming down like tiger stripes. Did you know that we don't really know what dinosaur skin looks like? Their bones are tough and we know what those look like from the fossils. But the skin was too soft to be preserved enough for scientists to study today. Who knows, maybe dinosaurs could have been bright pink and purple. Next, I'm going to add a few more thin, wavy lines across the spines like so. And finally, some more stripes along the front of the legs and arms. And now you've got a Spinosaurus. Let us know in the comments what you think we should draw next. And be sure to check out these videos for more.